A boy, two boys. A girl, two girls. A person, two persons. Oh, wait a minute. Is it persons? Have you ever heard that? No, 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 no. It's way different. In English, most of the time we add s to the end of the words and we change them to plural. Plural means more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But some words are different. They don't take that s in the end. They have different forms. They are exceptions. Today, we are going to learn 25 words with different plural forms. So let's see what they are. Well, I'm going to write the words here one by one. You try to guess the plural form. Then I'll give you the correct form as well as the pronunciation. So number one is this, wife. What is the plural? So one wife or my wife, our wives, wives, wife, wives. Okay. Now number two is pretty much the same. Leaf on a tree. Leaf, you are able to guess. Leaves, leaf, leaves. Number three is knife. Yeah, you know it now. Knives, knife, knives. So it's a rule most of the time, not always. If a word ends in F or FE, the plural form is VES, like knife, knives. So number four is the same. Thief, the plural is thieves, like one thief, a thief, or two thieves. Number five, the same. Life, lives, like my life, our lives. So we can look at it as a rule. If the word ends in F or FE, the plural is or ends in VES. Number six, wolf, wolves. Okay. Number seven, self, selves, like myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves. Okay. And number eight, half, halves, one half, two halves, like a football match, a soccer match has two halves. Number nine, look at this one, it's different. The pronunciation is, the first one over this one is analysis. So the end is sis, analysis. Now, what is the plural form? We can't add s, analysis is. That's hard to pronounce. So analysis, the plural form is analyses, sees. Analysis, analyses. Okay? And number 10 is the same. Crisis. Crisis means a very big, huge problem, like economic crisis. So crisis, like the previous one, analysis. So the plural is not crises, is crises. Crisis, crises. Next one, you are able to guess now. Thesis, like my PhD thesis. So what is the plural form? Theses, thesis, theses. Like one thesis, two theses. Next one, again, the same. Basis, bases. So if your word ends in S-E-S, sorry, S-I-S, like basis or thesis or analysis, the plural form changes to S-E-S and the pronunciation changes as well. Sis, sis, analysis, analysis. Now let's move to number 13. It's an easy one. Man, men. So we never say mans, man, men. And some other words that have man in the end, like businessman, businessmen. So there are lots of businessmen in this meeting. Okay. like policeman, policeman. And next one, number 14, woman, the pronunciation, listen, woman. Now the plural is women, woman, women. Again, businesswoman, business women. Police woman, police women. So sometimes we use some other words in order not to repeat man or woman, women. For example, for policeman or policewoman, we can say police officer. So police officer, police officers, all right? Next one is number 15. A child, you've never heard childs. It's children, child, children. Number 16, person is, we do have persons, okay, but that's very formal and you may see it in texts or formal situations. In everyday conversations, people never say persons. So it's people, person, one person, two people, okay? And again, business person, business people. Word number 17, the same as that one. Gentleman, gentleman. So we always hear ladies and gentlemen. It's not gentleman. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Number 18, let's move on to animals. Number 18, mouse. So the plural is not mouses, it's mice. It completely changes. Mouse, mice. Number 19, goose, the word, the bird, a kind of bird. Goose is geese. Goose, one goose, geese. Some geese are flying in the sky. Next one, number 20, deer, the animal. Again, deer. This one is the same, it doesn't change. Deer, deer. One deer, a deer, 2, 3, deer. We never say deers. Number 21, the same as number 20, fish. Fish, again, fish. Sometimes you may hear fishes when you have different types. But if there is only one kind, one type of fish, it's always fish. One fish, two fish, three fish, and so on. Number 22, sheep. Again, the same as fish. Sheep, 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 sheep. It doesn't need S. Sheep, sheep. Number 23, moose. Moose is like a big deer, a famous animal here in Canada. Moose, again, the plural is moose. It doesn't take S. So fish, fish, sheep, sheep, moose, moose. The plural form doesn't change. Number 24, tooth, teeth. One tooth, two teeth, or three teeth. Tooth, teeth. And number 25, foot, feet, the same as tooth. So when they have double O, like tooth, like foot, it changes to double E. Tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Well, that's it. There are many other words in English with different plural forms. I don't have time to teach all of them, and you don't actually need to know all of them. I tried to pick some of them that are useful in everyday conversations, in daily English. So I hope it helps, and I'll put the list at the end of the video so you can take a screenshot if you wish and review it and try to memorize these words so you can easily use them in your speaking. Well, that's it. Take care. See you soon.